In this video, you will learn how to set up a direct debit in the HSBC app. First, open the HSBC mobile app. Then, log in using your credentials. After that, go to the payments or manage payments. Tap on the menu icon or the pay and transfer section. Select direct debits. Look for the direct debits under the payment settings or manage payments. Tap on setup or add new direct debit. Choose the option to add or create a new direct debit. Enter the payment details. Fill in the information provided by the service provider, such as their name, account number and reference. Confirm the details. Renew all the entered information carefully. Authorize a direct debit. Use your security details, such as your PIN, password and biometrics, to approve the setup. Wait for confirmation. HSBC will confirm that the direct deposit will be set up. It may take a day or two to appear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.